Hi, my name's Tom. If you're like me, of a certain age, you probably have a lot of old digital cameras, or if you've gotten rid of the cameras, then you probably have a lot of these little memory card sort of things that come in different sizes, they're different shapes, sometimes they're thin, sometimes they're kind of thick. I had a bunch of these things and I didn't have a reader for them, so I went to Amazon and I picked up this reader and it works pretty darn well. So let me tell you all about this reader. It's kind of a 4-in-1 reader. It's got a SD card reader on this side and it actually is labeled SD down here. On the front half it has a MS and CF card. I guess like compact format of some sort. And then it has a TF card on the other side there. So you have four, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, I'll show you how they go in. And then you have a fairly good sized cord. This is probably about 7 or 8 inches. And then you have on the other end a port. And what I like about this is I have an older PC. So my older PC still uses the old USB ports. However, if you've got a newer PC, it does also come with a USB-C port, and some PCs only do that, Macs only use that, so you can go ahead and use USB-C or just pop it off and use USB, the regular USB-A, I think it's called. So the way this works is real straight and easy. You just plug this into your USB port of your PC, and then you take your memory card and you plug your memory card, whatever size it is, into one of these size. So here we go, this is an SD card, so I would just click it in, just like that, and then it'll go ahead, my computer should go ahead and open up and say, hey, I've got a new unknown disk, would you like to open it or look at it and read it or whatever, and then you can go ahead and open it and you can look at all of the photos, videos, data, whatever you happen to have on these things. This is pretty low tech, but here's what I just did. I just plugged it in and my card, my USB-K drive, that's the actual card reader, it just opened up and I went ahead and had a digital DCIM, they're DCIM or digital camera images. And then I'm going to have a whole bunch of folders in here, and then all of these folders are going to have all of my pictures. I can just, if I want to, I can select all of them, just click and drag, and then drag them over to my desktop or drag them over to some place that I want to use them. It's really that easy. I got this from Amazon. The best place to get this sort of thing. Usually shows up in a day or two, depending upon how you order from Amazon. But I had about 8 of these little memory cards. I was able to read them all in just a matter of minutes. I was able to move all that stuff over there, and I was doing a whole bunch of data transfer and preservation in literally a number of just like 5-10 minutes with this little transfer device. It's really, really nice. It comes from Amazon, and it is highly recommended.